Hi guys, welcome back to the 1 minute series. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make this miniature toothbrush. Alright, the first thing you're going to need to get is some toothpicks, and you have two options for the teeth of the toothbrush. You can either use wood from the toothpick, wood from like a coffee stirrer, or actually you can actually have three options actually, because you can also use a stiff felt. Okay, now to get started, what you want to do is you want to get your toothpick. You want to cut the point off. Then you want to take your box knife and cut away from you. You want to start by putting a little score line right there and about 1/4 of an inch up. Okay, and you want to score that out of there with your box knife. Alright, now once you have that done, you want to go across the back and you want to whittle your way all the way down. Make sure you're staying below that score line when you're doing it though. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, you can just sand it and then go from there. And when you're sanding it, you want to just take it on the sandpaper and you want to go back and forth like that. Okay, so now once you have that done, you want to go ahead and take your cutters and you want to cut the top of your toothpick or toothbrush off with a toothpick. Alright, then you want to take that and you want to round it on your sandpaper. Go front to back. So basically what I'm doing, because I know you can't see it, is I'm going like this, and then to the sides. And then eventually I'm going to go in a circle like this to round it all off. Okay, so at this point, you want to paint the top of your toothbrush and hold it with some Q-tips or whatever. I mean, tweezers. Don't worry about getting it in here too much so you can kind of get most of that off of there. Alright, we'll let that dry. Alright, once that's dried, you want to go ahead and put some crazy glue. Ooh, way too much crazy glue came out of there. Alright, don't do that. Everything's going to be stuck together now. Alright, take the crazy glue and cut yourself a piece of felt. Sorry, I got caught up in the rag. Okay, so cut yourself a piece of felt and you're going to stick it right on there. Okay, now if you're, and I did it this way so you could see the difference. If you're doing the felt, then that's what it's going to look like. If you're doing the wood, then that's what it'll look like. It's a big difference. But you can still paint it either way. Alright, so there it is, the toothbrush. And that's with the felt. This one is with the wood. So you can see the difference. I went ahead and painted the felt so it was a brighter white. This actually, when it's painted, you can't really see it in the video, but it actually looks like toothbrush bristles. So that might be a thought. You might want to do that. And again, it's just a toothpick and some toothbrush bristles at the top for the, whatever. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next 1 minute series. We will be doing lots more, trying to do some 1 minute videos. Like and subscribe, leave a question, suggestion, or comment below, and we will see you next time. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.